Hello everyone, tonight I'm staying at the Novotel Torino Corso Giulio Cesare. I've been given room 502 on the 5th floor. Here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, there is a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, light switches and a plug. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, you have a shelf above with some hangers to hang your clothes on. A cupboard with an in-room safe and shelves. And more hangers to hang your clothes on. Huge mirror. Hello. And let's go to the bathroom, which is right here. You can see the bathtub right there. The sink. Another mirror. Hairdryer. More light switches. Tissues below. And behind here, you have the toilet and the bidet. Okay, so further inside, you have a place to put your luggage, with a cupboard below, more shelves, the desk area with a light, in-room telephone, the bed with a couple of bedside tables and lights, climate control panel. I did set it to full because it is a bit hot in here. But further inside, you have a sofa area right there, which I believe you can convert that into a sofa bed if you wish to do so. Coffee tea making facilities with a kettle, chair. Behind here is the minibar. Flat screen Philips TV. And out of the window, you can open it full, but it is off the road in front of the hotel. You can barely see it, but right down there is the car park. So that is the view out of the window the next morning. It is quite a nice view. I believe you can see Turin in the distance. And obviously, as mentioned last night, the road and parking lot in front of the hotel. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 502 at the Novotel Torino Corso Giulio Cesare. Thanks for watching and goodbye.